Guys, in this video about MS PowerPoint shortcut keys. This video is most important for all competitive exams and interviews. So watch full video and do like, share, comment on this video. Let's start. Shortcut keys and their usage. First, Ctrl plus A. Create a new presentation. Ctrl plus O. Open presentation. Ctrl plus S. Save presentation. Ctrl plus P. Print presentation. Ctrl plus M. Insert a new slide. Ctrl plus A. Select all. Ctrl plus D. Duplicate the current slide. Ctrl plus X. Cut selected text or object. Ctrl plus C. Copy selected text or object. Ctrl plus V. Paste cut or copied object or text. Next is Ctrl plus Y. Redo last action. Ctrl plus Z. Undo last action. Ctrl plus W. Close active presentation. Ctrl plus K. Insert hyperlink. Alt plus F4. Close PowerPoint. Ctrl plus E. Center paragraph. Ctrl plus J. Justify a paragraph. Ctrl plus L. Left align a paragraph. Ctrl plus R. Right align a paragraph. Ctrl plus F. Open find dialog box. ESC. End the slideshow. Ctrl plus Enter. Move to next placeholder. Shift plus F3. Change case. Ctrl plus equal sign. Apply superscript formatting. Ctrl plus space bar. Remove manual character formatting. F1. Help. F2. Edit the selected cell. F5. View the complete slideshow. F7. Spell check selected text. F12. Open save as dialog box. Next is Ctrl plus backspace. Delete one word to the left. Ctrl plus delete. Delete one word to the right. Slide number plus enter. During presentation, go to slide number. Ctrl plus shift plus C. Copy formatting of selected shape. Ctrl plus shift plus V. Paste formatting only to another shape.
Guys, if you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video as much as possible. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.